Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamics, and we're back, and we're doing Main Street Mail. That's what we're doing. This is a huge box. And this is coming up right now. Alright, so this would be Main Street Mail. This is for January, and it's very heavy. Did you see their new logo? I like it. I didn't mind the old logo, but the old one was a little tougher to pick up on camera because it was so light. So this one stands out a little bit better. Alright. Ready? That's very blue. I like it. I don't think we have that blue yet, so we get to add that to our collection of confetti colors for backgrounds. Oh, pretty heavy. Chris and family, thank you for your order. Inside you will find an original mailable postcard and your spoiler sheet. Have a magical day. I got it. Alright, so the spoiler sheet, we'll wait on that. And the postcard... So there's no date on it. Well, that's pretty cool. I'll talk in a minute. Picture in the photo box, boop, and the back, boop. Nice. All right, confetti time. There's a lot of it. Okay. I'm stuck. So what is this? So there's a sticker on it of Mickey, and it's taped shut. Thanks, Mary. What? It's real. So this fell out of the box first. This is a real Walt Disney stamp, and it was 6 cents. That's really cool. I'll try to get a close-up shot in the photo box, boop, so you can see it. That's really cool, and it's never been stuck to anything, but it still has the adhesive on the back. And you can see in the adhesive there's a fingerprint. It's probably Walt's. That's really cool. And then inside, we've got... Oh... And just when I think of seeing all the Walt pins, Walt Disney, the man behind the magic. There's no color sticker on it or price or anything on it, but I'm sure we'll figure it out in the spoiler sheet. I will throw this in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. So it's copper. That's really cool. I definitely do not have that one. Very nice. This stamp is really cool too. Alright. this? So there's a note stuck on here and it says, Chris, as far as we can tell, this guy came from a claw machine in Japan. It is officially licensed and posable. Enjoy. So I don't know if you've ever seen, in Tokyo, claw machines are a big deal. There's like businesses that are just all claw machines. So this is a Steamboat Willie. It's Pete. Holy cow. Vinyl collectible dolls. I feel like I shouldn't take him out of here, but I really want to. Yeah, the box is pretty beat up, but I mean, who knows how many times it was tried to be clawed or whatever. You know what? I'm gonna take him out of here because it's not like I'm ever gonna sell him or anything. I'll take him out of here, put him on the turntable so you can get a better look at him. Boop. That is really cool, and it's pretty big. That's something I have never seen before. I love getting stuff like that. Nice. Alright. Got one thing left, and it's big and heavy. Oh, yeah. Mary's gonna love this. It's a little dusty. Holy cow, look at this thing. Mary's losing her mind. I actually kind of am too. This is really cool. So, let's take this in steps. So the dish, which says it's not for food use, just in case you wanted to make your mac and cheese in this thing. In the bottom of the dish, there is the poison apple. Then if you take the outside off, the outside has the Evil Queen, Maleficent, and Ursula. So there's Ursula, Evil Queen, Maleficent, and then the inside has the Dragon Maleficent eye and the Little Mermaid. So then the bulb itself is green, which that's really cool. And then the base has like the poison apple on it, and then it has like thorns going all the way around it. And it's a Scentsy warmer. How cool is that? So I will try, I don't know how good it's going to look because it's going to have the cord on it, but I will try and put that on the turntable so you can take a better look at it. Boop. Now. Alright. Wow. Very good box. Alright. Let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. I will throw this up on the screen for you. Boop. So this is the Castle Correspondent box, which is $100 plus shipping. So the Vinyl Pete is $35. The Scentsy warmer is $75. The cast member pin, the wall pin, is $8.95. And the vintage stamp, $1. That's cool. I'm so happy to have that. That's going to go in my glass case. I like this. I don't care how small the vintage item is. I like them. So total box value, $119.95. Very good value for the money. Did I put that up? Boop. I think I did. Boop. Yeah. Nice. Very cool. I would imagine that our living room will be glowing green this evening. And not just because we haven't cleaned it in a while. Alright. If you would like to get your own Main Street Mail box, check out the link down below and check out their Facebook group, Main Street Mail on Facebook. It makes sense that it's on Facebook. While you're there, check out Disney Dynamicks on Facebook. Come join our group. It's a lot of fun. And that's about it. So if you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you have not subscribed yet, please click the button right here because we'd really appreciate you being a part of this group. I hope you're having a great day.